Hi, friends. Welcome back. Miss Walker here. And of course, you know who this is. Who is this? Yes, this is Monkey the mathematician waving at you, waving at you. So we are here today to do Module 5, Lesson number 3. Our objective today, you can repeat after me. I can add or subtract to solve word problems when the start is unknown. So say it one more time. Say, I can add or subtract to solve word problems when the start is unknown. Also say this with me. Say, I can represent the problem with objects, drawings, and equations. Awesome. Okay, so friends, let's jump right into it. And you know that I usually have you do the Spark Your Learning with your homeschool teacher, so you can pause and do that. And I will meet up with you when you unpause the video. I will start to teach you Build Understanding. So we are going to start with Build Understanding. So I'm going to read you the question. We'll talk about it a little. We'll figure out how to solve it. So it says, Will has some grapes. He gives 8 grapes to Tia. Now he has 6 grapes. How many grapes did Will have to start? All right. So let's go ahead and circle our numbers. We're circling 8 and we're circling 6. Awesome. And we're going to underline our question. How many grapes did Will have to start? And we need to box keywords. So it says Will has some grapes. He gives 8 grapes to Tia. Now he has 6 grapes. How many grapes did Will have to start? Did he get more grapes or did he give them away? Yes, is that a key word? Yes, when you're giving, that is giving us a clue. So we're going to put a box around gives. Okay, now it says, how can we show this problem? What do you guys know about this problem? Can you pause to tell your homeschool teacher what you know? Yes, we know that Will gave 8 grapes to Tia, and now he has 6 grapes. I need to know how many grapes Will had to start. So let's go ahead and do a drawing. So for our drawing, we can start by drawing the grapes that we know that he gave. So let's start by drawing those grapes. So can you count with me to 8? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. And then how many grapes does he still have? Yes, he still has 6. So can you count to 6 with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay. Awesome. So friends, now that we drew the grapes, we were trying to represent the different grapes that he gave away and the grapes he still has left. How many grapes does he have all together? So this would help us know how many he started with. So I was doing them in a 10 frame style. So we know that there's 5 here. There's 5 here. So 5. Can you count by 5s? 5, 10. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many grapes did he have to start with? 14. That's correct. Now it says, how does this equation match the problem? 6 equals minus 8. How does that match the problem? So this equation actually tells how many grapes Will gave away and how many grapes he has left. So this box right here is going to represent how many grapes he started with, which is the number we figured out right here. So let's go ahead and write a little explanation of this problem. Just make this a little bigger. There we go. This equation tells me how many grapes Will gave away and how many grapes he has left. The box is the number of grapes he started with, which is the number I want to find. All right, let me make that a little bigger. Sorry if it's hard to see, my friends. You know, I have a lot going on this page. So I explained that this equation tells me how many grapes Will gave away. The equation right there. And how many grapes he has left. The box, that little box that I made purple, that's the number of grapes he started with, which is the number that we had to figure out. Time for a turn and talk. Oh, here comes Monkey. Hi, Monkey. So the turn and talk is, how does your drawing explain your thinking? So I know, Monkey, you helped us with this drawing. How does this drawing explain your thinking? Yeah. So Monkey said that he drew the 8 grapes first that he gave to Tia and the 6 grapes he had left. And that drawing helps show the total number of grapes he started with. Hey, high five. I love how you explain that. All right, friends, we are going to move on to the next page. If you are still working on this page, just let your homeschool teacher know and you can go ahead and pause and do what you need to do. Let's look at the next problem. This one says, Tim has some juice boxes. He gets 3 more juice boxes. Now Tim has 11 juice boxes. How many juice boxes did Tim have to start? So friends, do we know how many he started with? No, that's what we're supposed to figure out. So if you were already circling the numbers, you were on top of it doing our cub strategy. And the question, how many juice boxes did Tim have to start? We need to box keyword. So it says he has some juice boxes. He gets 3 more. So we know he has some. We're not sure how many. That's important. He gets 3 more juice boxes. Do you hear an important word? Yes, the word more. That's giving us a clue. He's getting more. Okie dokie. Now, we need to show the problem. So to show the problem, here we go. We have to do a drawing. So let's go ahead and draw some circles here. So we can go ahead and draw 3 juice boxes. And then we know that Tim has 11 total. So what we can do is we can keep drawing juice boxes until we get to 11. So friends, what comes after 3? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yay, great job. So now, friends, we need to write an equation that matches this picture. So how many juice boxes did we start? We started in our picture with drawing, with drawing 3. And then how many more juice boxes did we make? So how many were green? Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do 3 plus 8. And then how many juice boxes does he have altogether? Yes, 11. Awesome. Now we need to write a subtraction equation to solve it. So whenever we write subtraction equations, remember we're always starting with the greatest number. So what is the greatest number? How many did he have at the end? Yes, he had 11. That's correct. So we're starting with 11 and we are going to take away 3. So we take away 3. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. And you know what, friends? I can also check that my subtraction sentence is correct by looking at the addition one above, because these are related facts. I should be using the same 3 numbers. Did I use 11? Yep. Check. Did I use a 3? Yes. Did I use an 8? Yes. So how many juice boxes did he have to start? He had 8 juice boxes to start. Time to turn and talk. What's another way you could have solved this problem, Monkey? Awesome. So Monkey said you could have started at 3. You could have started at 3 and added counters. Oh, wait, that's what we did. Oh, got it. Okay. Okay, gotcha. So Monkey said you could have started at 8 and added counters to get to. Wait a minute, Monkey. Can you explain that again? I'm sorry, Monkey and I were getting our signals crossed. Monkey said another way we could have done this problem was we could have just started with subtraction to begin with. We could have started with 11 and subtracted 3 to get 8. So that was his idea. High five. Great explanation. All right, boys and girls, you did such a great job today. Thanks for working so hard, and I look forward to seeing you next time.